Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons. In this video, we're going to see how we can download Google Classroom onto our Windows laptop. So first, we're going to go to the Apps Launcher and go to Classroom. On your Google Classroom homepage, you should see in Google Chrome this icon in the top right-hand corner that says Install Google Classroom. Select this and select Install. This will now launch the Google Classroom app for Windows. And you can see here it functions in exactly the same way. And on your desktop, you should now see a shortcut to use Google Classroom as an application on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video on how to download Google Classroom onto your computer or laptop. I'll see you in the next video.